With this radiological images, let us quickly review the inferior wall fracture of orbit. Over here you can see that this is the inferior wall of the orbit, and the inferior wall has got fractured and leading to herniation of the contents of the orbit into the maxillary sinus. This structure over here is the maxillary sinus on both sides. Now this herniation of orbital content into the maxillary sinus through an inferior orbital wall is known as teardrop sign. Now the content over here is mostly the intraorbital fat plus minus the inferior rectus muscle. The same thing can be very well appreciated on a CT scan, where you can see the inferior wall of the orbit. Over here you can see the maxillary sinus, the outline of maxillary sinus on both sides, and the herniation of the contents of the orbit into the maxillary sinus, which is again our teardrop sign.